All right, Punxsutawney. This is your world. BB, you ready to see the groundhog?
Sure, why not?
Punxsutawney. We want to have a little talk with you about the weather.
Oh, boy, do we. Me and cameraman has hit rain.
In a half mile, turn right onto Lincoln Way.
Look, they even got groundhogs on.
In a quarter mile, turn right
lawns.
onto Lincoln Way.
Look, another one.
Oh, yeah. That's cool.
Turn right onto Lincoln Way.
And the banks are open here on Saturdays.
Oh, wow. They ain't in Florida. You just
That's how it used to be.
That's how it
back
used
in
to
the
be.
days.
They'd be open till what? 2 o'clock?
Yeah.
You have arrived at your destination. Your route guidance is finished.
All right, BB, Punxsutawney. We made it. Welcome to the Cobbler's Knob. $1887 it started.
When?
1887.
Oh.
But they moved it over here. They used to have it somewhere else, I think.
Oh,
or
okay.
they fixed up the area, but... Where does Punxsutawney live? In a borough, of course. Punxsutawney Phil lives in a climate-controlled environment at the corner of the Barclay Square in a man-made borough connected to our old library. Oh, you can view him from the window, and that's where it's at if you want to go view him.
Cool.
And complain.
Crazy groundhog.
Wow, as early as 1886, German immigrants here observed Groundhog Day. Established the Punxsutawney Groundhog Club in 1899. Phil leaves a burrow on February 2nd and sees its shadow. There will be 6 more weeks of winter. The legend is based on a European custom predicting length of winter by weather conditions, Candlemas, and ancient Christian festivals. All right, the Gobbler's Knob.
All right.
Poor truck.
Official weather works. Yeah, okay.
All right, BB, we're over here where they do the celebration.
Yep.
All right, BB, over here where they do the beaver celebration.
Groundhog.
All right, BB, over here is where they do the celebration. All right, BB, over here is where they do the groundhog celebration.
Yes.
I feel like I've said that before. Am I having deja vu?
Maybe.
Is this whole day repeating?
Oh, God, I couldn't deal with that.
But in the movie Groundhog,
Yeah.
I think the only movie shot they had was this here, but the town was a town in another state, and
I'm sure.
but they must have something over there, like a trail.
Maybe, yeah.
This is where it all happens.
This is where the little turd ball tells us we're gonna have a
Thank you for
spring.
you for giving us. Thank you for giving us extra winter, dude.
Well, he did say 6 more weeks, so.
Son of a gun. Alrighty, now when we see it on the news or whatever, we know. Stand up on the stump. I mean, in front of it. There you go. Or on the side. There you go. There you go. Now we can say at least
We know where
we were up on the stage.
We know where Phil goes.
That is black diamond abrasive. Oh, must be some kind of rock thing. But look at that. That is cool.
Yeah, it is.
Some kind of road too. Like I said, I love Pennsylvania because it has all these roads and stuff. Oh, there's a bird trying to get in there.
Where?
Inside that there.
Oh.
And then some of these too early flapjacks. Look at that. Some people even did the floor. I predict summer. All right. That's where he is. Nobody's home. That's a real stump. Okay. Nobody's home. Well, at least we could say we touched it. We saw it. And we filed our complaint. This is pretty cool.
This is nice. Yeah. I think they got a gift store or something up there.
Yeah, let's see.
If they do, we'll see if they got a magnet.
There he is.
There's our crazy groundhog.
All right, baby. They even have a gift shop center.
Yeah. Phil's got it going on.
And it's open. Oh, 10 to 4:30. There we go.
Hello.
Hey, how you doing there?
Good, how are you?
Okay.
We're good.
See magnets?
No, I'm not seeing any.
Oh, it might be over there.
Are you,
You have a magnets? Any magnets?
we do.
Oh, there you go, babe.
We have one here and one
Oh, they
over
even
here
got
on
scarves and everything.
this one here and this one right here. This one here is $6. They just cut them myself.
Groundhog celebration. Live. David got stamps. We're going to New Jersey.
New Jersey.
Yes.
Jersey is, okay.
I'm originally.
6:36.
Yep, that's the movie.
Okay.
One of the best movies ever.
Okay.
Oh, we can fill.
Like you definitely have like water in the building. And we were like, oh yeah, they're definitely from like the
You're right, they
And
are.
of course here I am in Punxsutawney and everybody says
Punxsutawney, that's what it's called.
Sure, okay. I mean, I
Those
don't
are the
care.
people over the time. Oh, this is like
Where the earthquake hits, where our hotel was
Groundhog actually has 2 layers of fur. He's got the outer fur, which is not there to...
Let's see what your
As far
diet
as
is.
diet goes, groundhogs are herbivores, so they eat most, fruits and vegetables.
Well, he has a heart.
Groundhog in the wild lives for about 4 to 8 years, and a lot of that has to do with the fact that they're prey, not a predator.
So groundhogs make 3 noises that we know of. One relates to a name, whistle pig. They have a whistle. That's to alert other groundhogs.
Alrighty. Okay.
Groundhogs hibernate harder than just about any other animal in the wild. And if you happen to come across one, you might actually think it was dead. So an interesting thing about groundhogs' paws is that the front paws, they only have 4 toes. In the back, they have 5. But in the front, they have...
His eyes.
The groundhog's eyes, if you notice, are set on the side of his head, and this allows for an almost 300-degree range of vision. And when you see a groundhog...
The inner circle takes the stage, and then 7:25 Phil comes out and makes his prognostication.
Wow.
Yes. Then we...
Alright, BB, yes, that is a trail over there, 1 mile trail. The crazy thing is they start here at 3 o'clock in the morning, the celebrations. They have fireworks and everything by 6 o'clock when the sunrise comes up. And then Phil comes and does his prediction.
Yeah.
Alrighty. Alright, now we're gonna go see Phil. And the baby. There's a new baby.
Yep.
Alright, and where Phil is at with the baby is at the library on the other side. We're gonna walk through there. And if the address is... That's the address. And you can see him 24 hours.
He's being guarded. He's
A
right
day.
by the police station.
But we want to take a picture with this. Alrighty. Let's give our opinion. Oh, is it? And I think that's where they used to do it at back in the day. You see it right there in the center?
He's coming over to just check on her.
So Phil's the one that has his back towards us?
Yeah. He's the one who just stepped on the other one.
He's like, move over, babe. It's cold out here. She getting on to him.
Yeah.
Oh. They're
Either they're kissing or they're fighting. One or the other.
They're rooming each other right now.
Earlier he was grabbing a bunch of the stray hay and bringing
Oh,
it over.
man.
All that hay that's on the left side, he'd brought it over to like add to the burrow, and then dropped it 3 feet from the.
We thought maybe when he went in, he was doing laps. So we thought maybe he went in with baby.
Yeah, that literally looks like that's where they used to have it back in the day.
Yeah. Beautiful.
Beautiful park. Oh, they even have a tree over there, clock tree.
Oh, awesome.
Really nice little town. And that's his borough.
Yeah.
Right there. Alright, give me a nice little. Alright, BB from Punxsutawney,
Yep. Punxsutawney.
Pennsylvania. You seen the two places we went to
Yeah.
where they have the festival that starts at 3 a.m. in the morning.
Wow.
They're
I
playing
can't
live
imagine.
band, fireworks, and everything,
Yeah,
and then
until 6 o'clock in
yeah,
the morning.
until right, and then over here at the library, which is only like a mile from over there, is where you can see these
Groundhogs.
right all year long.
Yep.
So until the next one.
Everyone take care. Take care of one another. Take care of yourselves. See ya.